I am a safety officer, safety engineer. So my advocacy focuses on safety and security of our tourism since nag-arise tayo from the pandemic, and one of the naapektuhan during the pandemic is our tourism business. And I think in order for us to uplift and to makabangon uli sa mga problema is we need to focus on safety and security of our tourists from other countries, and also here our Filipino na mahilig magpunta sa mga destination here in the Philippines. So safety and security is really important para babalik-balikan tayo kasi 'di ba ang unang-unang tinitingnan ng mga turista is yung kaligtasan nila.
Kung ikaw ang gagawa ng tourism slogan ng Pilipinas, anong slogan
Isusunod
mo?
mo sa sa Love the Philippines.
Siguro piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
Wow. Choose the Philippines.
That's all.
So what do you do to keep fit? I mean, do you bike? Do you
Actually,
maraming bundok sa Kalamba, diba?
Actually, I'm doing home workout right now since congested and medyo ano yung schedule namin. So, like, for example, gabi na kami nakauwi, so no time na para mag-gym. But nagbibigay ako ng konting oras lang kahit morning, mag-push up.
Dumbbell.
Yes. Konting weights. Yan po. And also, proper diet.
Since nakakadalawang activities na kayo, like dress presentation and this national costume, who do you think is your magbigay ka nga ng tatlong
Biggest competitor.
Yeah.
Well, I think the Team Cebu from way back from last year, nakikita naman natin na very dedicated and talagang lamang talaga yung Cebu. So this time, I think the Cebu team po. Ayoko na mag-drop ng names, alam niyo naman kung sino. Magaling sila magsalita, and the way they talk, the way they walk, sobrang magaling. Yes, well-trained.
Any showbiz crush?
Showbiz crush, Catherine Bernardo.
Wow. Ano masasabi mo ngayon yung di ba meron ba siyang nagmumura sa trailer niya? Anong masasabi mo sa bago niyang ginagawang
Different for
projects?
us na siguro naninibago tayo, pero tingnan naman din natin yung isang side ni Catherine Bernardo na alam naman natin na siguro sa iba mali or pangit pakinggan, pero kung mahal naman natin yung tao and talagang totoong supporters tayo, bigyan na lang natin ng pansin and patuloy na pagsuporta.